Hi everybody, that is the first lesson in window menu. This menu includes many panels which help you to do your project faster and so easy, like color panel, pathfinder, brushes, layers, and many more panels. And today I will tell you some tips to use window menu correctly. After opening window menu, you have here 6 options before starting in panels. The first one, new window, to open a new artboard with the same dimension. And you have arrange to arrange your artboards like cascade and tile, like dividing my screen, and float to make my window float like this, or I can float all windows like this. And I have find extension to search in Adobe Creative Cloud for any change. About any extension here. And you have also workspace to change the program interface for any one of here, like layout, or I can reset layout or new workspace, or manage my workspace. I will go back for essential. I can also make it from here. And now I have extension for open libraries and control to show the control panel here, and toolbar to change the toolbars from advanced or basic or new toolbar, or manage my tools. That was all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, leave it in comments and I will be happy to answer it. Goodbye.